Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to Now Experts Time channel. We are watching ServiceNow Software Asset Management series. I have created 5 videos before this. It explains the fundamental concepts of software asset management solutions. So today we are going to discuss about the procurement. So before starting the procurement, what is a prerequisite? That's what we are going to see in this video. When you talk procurement, the major concept is stockroom. As I explained in my earlier video, when you talk procurement, there are two use cases are there. One is proactive procurement and another one is a reactive procurement. This stockroom, it's a base layer for your proactive and reactive procurement scenarios. So motto here is, first we need to understand what is stockroom and what is stockroom type. If this point is clear, then if you're watching or if you're listening that procurement proactive or reactive related videos, then it will be helpful. Going to the session. So currently I'm in a software asset workspace. So today we are going to see about that stockroom. So I'm just opening this stockroom. What is stockroom? It's a very basic information. uh, uh, if our home, you just take an example, if our home, you are purchasing a grocery and vegetable or marketing things, so you will store in some location from your house. So similar way, take the same concept is derived in ServiceNow side as well, with the help of stockroom item. So one location is created, one location, instead of one location we have a n number of locations also, because the business wise we have a various geographic locations. So based on each geographic location, or based on each company, based on each business unit, based on each cost center, in what basis you want to create a stockroom, you can create it. So once the stockroom is created, then it is helping to map this hardware is available in this stockroom, this software is available in this stockroom, so you can easily map it. So when you are talking about that stockroom, to manage the stockroom we need one persona. So that persona is called stockroom manager. Yeah. So here we are seeing a stockroom, next stockroom type, and third one is persona. I just explained the stockroom and I just explained the persona, and we need to see what is a stockroom type. So before seeing this stockroom type, so we just see these are all the stockrooms I currently configured in my personal instance. So if you go your left navigation pan, type stockroom, under inventory, you can see the stockroom related informations. You just click it, then it will route it to the stockroom page. So I open one sample stockroom here. So it will show that information. What is a stockroom name? This stockroom is maintained by which group? This stockroom is maintained by which user? This stockroom is available in which location? What is a latitude? What is a longitude, etc. So this is a sample one. You can see here there is no hardware, no consumables, no software, no other assets are tagged here. So before starting our discussion, I clearly explained, when you talk about software asset management, stockroom, specifically in the procurement scenario, stockroom it's playing a vital role. Not only the software, if you're talking about the hardware also, stockroom it's pretty much important. So you can see, when you talk a hardware asset management, when you talk a software asset management, both it is supporting in this stockroom concept. So currently you can see an empty. I can show some sample item which is having a relevant hardware and software details. So these are all the hardwares are tagged in this stockroom. These are all the consumables are tagged in this stockroom. Next, we will go to the stockroom type. So in the stockroom, there is one field called type. This type, it is helping to segregate what type of stockroom is this. Is it a field service related stockroom? Is it a basin stockroom, or hardware stockroom, or software stockroom? You can segregate it, that concept, in your stockroom types. So you just configure that information, you just enable this information. It will easily to identify this stockroom is part of what, hardware stockroom or software stockroom, or a field service stockroom, or vaccination stockroom. What is that? So that definition, it is derived in this stockroom type. So this session just give you the clarity, what is a stockroom, what is a stockroom type, what is the persona. So these three are pretty much important to derive your stockroom solution in our ServiceNow business instance. This is a prerequisite to kickstart your software asset management solution and a hardware asset management solution as well. So currently we are talking about the software. So all softwares are stored in this stockroom under this tab, software entitlement. I just go few more stockrooms here, and you can see the type, warehouse, central warehouse, etc. And you can see the location is configured in a different geography for each stockroom, and you can see this manager also configured for this each stockroom. So these are all the mandate portion when you are configuring this data. So when you install, this is a base foundation layer. When you install or when you activate your CMDB solution, by default stockroom item it will come. So this default item supporting for your SAM and HAM solution. I take this item here also, you can see the empty record. If you want to tag the software entitlement, for example, if it is a new entitlement, then you can easily tag that entitlement with this stockroom. For any reason, if you want to tag the existing entitlement the stockroom, then there is an option available in your stockroom field, sorry, software entitlement form, and you can configure that value here. So I'm just going back. I'll take this EAM stockroom East. Here you can see the software entitlement as 0. Now I'm going to this left navigation pan and going to that entitlement. I take one entitlement and going to this stockroom field. So currently it is not available. So if it is not available, don't worry. You directly come to the list view and configure that information. For some reason, some stockroom it is not configured properly. The reason uh, is there is a configuration related conflict is there. I'm just opening another one. I take this entitlement. I'm just configuring this EAM stockroom east. Yeah, it's configured now. And you can see that stockroom detail here. So if the new entitlement, you are configuring that stockroom, then you can easily click the new button and configure it. If you want to configure that existing entitlement with the stockroom, you just go to the list view and configure that stockroom detail with that entitlement. It will work. I hope this session it helps you to understand about the stockroom. Thank you so much. We will see in the next session. Goodbye.